would like to make about some presentation maybe, and then how to make about the student like about to go to the library. And then so today I would like to discuss with my student at the library. Okay, come on, let's go. Oh, good morning, guys.
Morning.
Okay, today I would like to discuss about that book that you read maybe because if we read about this book, we can find about anything and then we can find about some knowledge maybe in that book. Okay, I would like to discuss with Insa.
Okay,
How are you today?
good. How about you?
I'm so fine. So, what book do you read today?
What I read, the implementasi algoritma dalam bahasa Python was written by Wendy Zerman and Muhammad Fajar Wicaksono, and it was written in 2020 by Informatica.
Okay, why do you read about that book?
Yes, my first impression in this book was so thick, and when I start read this book, it's so understandable, and it really improves my logical thinking,
Okay.
solving problems, and yes, it's so good for beginners like me.
Okay, so why do you like Python?
I can like Python because it can develop websites, small apps, or tools. Like in this century, yes, it's so important. So that's why I love Python.
Okay, then in your campus, is your lecturers always give you about how to operate about the Python or not?
Sorry, I don't get it.
Your lectures maybe when explain about the Python,
Yep.
do you understand about that or not?
Of course, I very understand and I very love it.
Okay,
Yeah,
like
that's right.
Python.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Hello, Iki.
Yes,
How are
hello,
you
Miss.
today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you, Miss?
Fine. And then so, what book do you read today?
Yes, so what I read is metode riset online, teori praktik dan pembuatan aplikasi menggunakan HTML, PHP dan CSS.
Okay, why do you read about that?
Because I want to know how to make a web application using HTML, PHP and CSS.
Do you always practice about that in your campus or not?
A little, yeah.
Later, like what?
Like maybe I try to make a simple website using HTML, CSS, like so, and yeah, just doing what this book told me to do.
Okay, jadi it means that book to be related
Yes.
When you study at your campus.
Yes.
Thank you.
It's so
Hello,
related.
Arya.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
What book do you read today?
What I read is Hardware PC Panduan Komplit Tanpa Pakai Sulit.
Okay, why do you like about that book?
The first thing I read this book because I want to know more and more about hardware
What hardware?
On PC.
On PC. Okay, thank you. Hello, Saldi.
Hello Miss,
How are you? Fine?
I'm fine.
Okay, what book do you read today?
I'm read same book like Iki, metode riset online teori praktik dan pembuatan aplikasi menggunakan HTML, PHP dan CSS.
Okay, why do you read about that book?
Because I want to learn about HTML, PHP and CSS.
Thank you. How about you, Raya? What book do you read today?
My book in data mining algoritma, klasifikasi dan penerapannya dalam aplikasi.
Okay, why do you read about that?
Learn more about data science algorithm.
It means it is to be related with your campus or not?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And then so, I think there are so many different when we read this book at library and online. Yeah, this is
Yes.
about the different vibe maybe. Yeah.
Yes.
In our campus maybe in library, I think we can read about the physics book maybe, yeah, I think. And then but online maybe just look at about that and then just see and then about that maybe. And I hope maybe all of you can come to this library because there are so many new books. I hope so. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Hello, girls. Good morning.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Okay. How are you today? Fine.
Fine. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Today I would like to discuss about your book that you read. Okay, Devita, what book do you read today?
I read a book. The title is Jago Merakit Komputer Tanpa Kursus.
Okay, why do you read about that?
I choose this book because I want to understand how to assemble a computer by myself from scratch. The book provides clear step-by-step guidance that is easy for beginners to follow.
Okay, and so do you always go to the library or not?
Yes, I always
Go to the library.
go to the library for study.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Hello, Tenida. How are you today?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine. And you?
I'm so fine. Okay, what book do you read today?
I read book my SQL
Okay, why do you read about that?
because I read this book as an dictionary reference to defeat my knowledge in the defeat of the equation course.
Okay, and so do you always go to library?
Yes, I like.
Okay, thank you. Hello, Simoyani. How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm so fine. And then what book do you read today?
I am reading a book about GUI, programming with Python and Pure.
Okay, and so what book do you? What this content about that book?
This content a book Python, definition of Pure, definition of data.
Okay, do you like about that book?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Okay, thank you. Hello, Oli.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, Melissa, what book do you read today?
I read book web programming
Okay, why do you read about that book?
because this book is my course.
Of course, okay. And so, do you always go to the library?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Okay, thank you. Tete, Prisma, how are you today? Fine?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, and so, what book do you read today?
I'm reading a book titled Easy Way to Build Computer and Internet Networks.
Okay, why do you read about that?
I'm reading this book because it provides a simple guide for building computer and internet networks, which is useful for home users, internet cafes, and office environments.
Okay. I hope maybe I think it is a different vibe, yeah, when you go to the library to read about that physics book, maybe, yeah.
Yes.
But when we read about a book at like books, maybe, yeah.
Yes.
I think so different, yeah, because we cannot look at what the physics for the book, but when you go to the library, I hope you can read about that, and so you can find about anything, because in this library, especially about the SA Tasikmalaya campus, there is so many new books, and so come and go to the library. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon, Raka.
Okay, good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm so fine. Okay. What book do you read today?
I'm read a book how to learn how to make web programming application laundry.
Okay, and then the author of this book?
This one Febrian Fandi with Dwi Imanian and Ragil Wijianto and Joko Dwi Mulyanto.
Okay, and then-
Justina May Sela.
Okay, this book tell us about what?
This book tell us about how to make application laundry website. And this book tell
About
how to making, how about website, how about MySQL hosting, client and server, and what is HTML, PHP, and CSS jQuery text editor.
Thank you, Raka. Hello, Nandi. Okay, what book do you read today?
I read a book Microsoft Word 2002.
Okay, thank you. Hello, Sandra. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, what book do you read today?
I read a book Analysis Informasi System.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, Imam.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, what book do you read today?
I read Analytics Methodology Practice and Application Development using HTML, PHP, and CSS.
Hello, Alif. Okay, what book do you read today?
I read a book about the Photoshop CS6.
Okay, hello, Atep.
Hello.
Okay, what book do you read today?
I read digital painting with Photoshop.
Okay, thank you. Hello, Nabil. Okay, what book do you read today?
I read a book Introduction to Hardware.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, what book do you read today?
I read hardware book.
Okay, thank you. Hello, Yusna.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, what book do you read today?
I read book about basic programming with Python.
Okay, thank you. Hello, Bintang. Okay, what book do you read today?
I read book web programming.
Okay, thank you. Hello, Fanny. Okay, what book do you read today?
I read a book about system information.
Thank you.
Hello, everyone. My name is Egil Fikri. I was read a book about web page design with CSS.
Okay, hello, Pia. Okay, what book do you read?
I read about web programming.
Okay, hello. Okay, what book do you read today?
I read a book about computer network and data communication.
Okay, thank you. Hello, Tete. Okay, what book do you read today?
I read a book about troubleshooting computer.
Okay, you can go.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, hello, Yolanda. What book do you read today?
I read a book about troubleshooting computer.
Okay, thank you. Okay, hello, Pamela. Okay, what book do you read today?
I read a book on channel web.
Okay, thank you.
Kuliah, BSI aja.